Subscribe to the channel to motivate us to produce several videos, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital and largest city of the Netherlands, located in the province of North Holland. It is known for its historic canals, museums, and liberal attitudes towards drugs and sex. It is also a popular tourist destination for its architecture, culture, and nightlife. Amsterdam is also a major economic and cultural center in the European Union. Maastricht. Maastricht is a city located in the southern part of the Netherlands, in the province of Limburg. It is known for its historic city center, which has a mix of Roman, Gothic and Renaissance architecture, and it's a popular tourist destination. It is also home to the University of Maastricht, which is a well-respected institution in the Netherlands and Europe. Maastricht is also known for its lively cultural scene, with several festivals and events throughout the year, including the Maastricht Jazz Festival, the Maastricht International Film Festival, and the Holland Festival Maastricht. It is also close to the Belgian and German border, making it a great base for exploring the surrounding area. Keukenhof Botanical Garden. Keukenhof, also known as the Garden of Europe, is a botanical garden located in Lees, Netherlands. The park features over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and other spring flowers, as well as a variety of gardens and pavilions. Keukenhof is open annually from the end of April to the end of May. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the Netherlands, drawing visitors from all over the world to see the spectacular displays of flowers. Marken Island. Marken is a small island and former island municipality in the province of North Holland in the Netherlands. It is situated in the Markermeer, a shallow lake that was once part of the Zuiderzee. Marken was originally a separate island, but in 1957 it was connected to the mainland by a causeway. Today, Marken is a popular tourist destination known for its picturesque villages, traditional wooden houses, and rich cultural heritage. Visitors to Marken can explore the island's historic fishing village, visit museums, and take boat tours. Marken is also a popular destination for birdwatching, as it is home to many species of water birds. The Mills of Kinderdijk. The Mills of Kinderdijk are a group of 19 windmills located in the Netherlands, in the province of South Holland. They were built in the 18th century to pump water out of the polder, and are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The windmills are still functional and can be visited by tourists. They are considered to be an iconic symbol of Dutch engineering and ingenuity. the National Park of the Hoge Veluwe. The Hoge Veluwe National Park is a protected area located in the province of Gelderland, in the central Netherlands. It covers an area of over 55 square kilometers and is known for its diverse landscapes including forests, heathlands, and sand dunes, as well as its rich wildlife and cultural heritage. The park is home to a variety of animal species including deer, wild boar, and many species of birds. One of the main attractions of the park is the Kröller-Müller Museum, which houses an impressive collection of works by Vincent van Gogh and other famous Dutch artists. Another popular feature is the Veluwe White Bicycle Plan, which allows visitors to explore the park on white bicycles that can be borrowed for free from various locations within the park. The park also offers several hiking trails, cycling paths, and picnic areas, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Gouda. Gouda is a city in the province of South Holland, in the Netherlands. It is known for its historic city center, beautiful Gothic architecture, and, of course, its famous Gouda cheese. The city of Gouda is also famous for its picturesque market square, which is home to the city's weekly market, where vendors sell a wide variety of goods, including the famous Gouda cheese. The market square is surrounded by beautiful historic buildings, including the 15th century St. Janskirk, which is renowned for its impressive stained glass windows. Additionally, the city of Gouda is known for its cheese market, which takes place every Thursday from April to August, where farmers and cheese merchants sell traditional Gouda cheese. It's a unique experience to see how cheese is sold and traded in a traditional way. In summary, Gouda is a charming and historic city in the Netherlands, known for its beautiful architecture, weekly markets, and famous Gouda cheese. The Wadden region. The Wadden region is a coastal area in northwestern Europe, spanning the coastlines of the Netherlands, Germany, and Denmark. It is characterized by a unique ecosystem that includes tidal mudflats, salt marshes, sand flats, and shallow waters. The Wadden Sea is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an important breeding and feeding ground for millions of migratory birds, as well as home to several species of seals and other wildlife. The region is also known for its historic towns and villages, and is a popular tourist destination for birdwatching, seal watching, and other outdoor activities.